using silicone really isn't that hard. Plus, some sleek Schluter shelves, how to install them, really easy. Keep watching. Okay, just finished grouting the walls in the shower. I still have to do the floor, and I need to caulk all the corners, but I'm putting these shelves in, these Schluter shelves. These are stainless steel. These are stainless steel shelves. This is the packaging for it right there. So these shelves go in. This one here I just stuck it in. They go into a grout line as small as a 1/16 of an inch. These little tabs. See these little tabs here? They go into the grout line. So I got that one stuck in. I haven't siliconed it in. And you secure these with silicone. So I'm going to put this one in now. This goes pushed into the grout line. Just like that. See, it's pretty solid, just like that. And then you silicone the top and the bottom to secure it in. So on these ones here, because it's silicone, I think I'm going to put like some tape all around the top and the bottom, just so it doesn't get damaged. And then I'll pull it off. But these corners here, I'm going to use the way I usually do it with denatured alcohol, or you could use ammonia-free spray cleaner. Actually, I'll do one way and one the other way, just so you can see how it works. So I'm going to put these shelves in now. I'm gonna silicone all this in, all the corners and everything, and then I'm gonna pick this up and grout the floor. So when you silicone, you can use denatured alcohol with a spray bottle, or you can use this ammonia-free glass cleaner, or you can put a few drops of dishwashing soap in some water with a spray bottle. I like the denatured alcohol because it dries quick. Because if you've got something that stays wet, you have to start from the bottom and work your way up. Whereas this way, this dries really quick, so you can pretty much do it any which way you want. Okay, so you also should have one of these, or some variation of this. Now for all this stuff here, I'll put some links in the description, so if you're looking for them, it's going to be easy to find. So I'm going to start at the top, and then I'm going to work my way down, because I'm using the denatured alcohol, so it dries pretty quick. So I'm going to go with my silicone all the way around. I just cut a small hole in here. Okay, so you might say, why not just use the siliconized acrylic caulk, which you can find in the tile store? But the reason for that is because most tile suppliers won't carry the silicone, because most of the tile contractors don't want to use it because they think it's hard to work with. It's really not hard to work with if you know how. So a lot of times I have to use siliconized latex caulk because I just can't get the silicone. However, this is a white caulk, is really easy to get, so most of the time they'll carry it. When I can get the silicone, I will use the silicone. If you can get the color matching silicone, then use the silicone. If you can't, then you're going to have to use the siliconized acrylic caulk. Best option though is the silicone. As you can see, I wasn't that careful to make a nice clean bead, because I got this and I got the denatured alcohol. So that's what I'm going to use now. So I'm going to spray some on the tool. I'm going to spray with a amount on here. I'm going to get my tool. As always going to be excess. Touch it up. See that corner? There's a corner. I'm just going to touch this up. So as you can see, I got a nice, clean bead. Now I'm going to come down this corner, and I'm going to do that corner. Okay, so that one I'm going to use the window cleaner. Go all the way down. See, I'm not being that careful to get a perfect bead if I don't need to. Okay, so I'm not going to spray. Spray the tool. So, got a nice, clean bead. Now I do the side. So along with a spray bottle, you also want to have like some paper towels or an old rag or something so you can wipe the excess off your tool as you're going along, and you know, you keep it clean, you don't get it all over the place. So some paper towels or an old rag or a piece of cardboard or something where you can put the excess on. Okay. So here's another important tip. If you need
to touch something up or push something down, or just make a little, like a tiny little adjustment, you can use your finger. The trick is you spray your finger first so that when you touch the silicone, it doesn't stick to your finger. So the spray, whether it be the denatured alcohol or the glass cleaner or whatever, that's what allows you to manipulate the silicone so that it doesn't stick to the tool, it doesn't stick to your finger, and it doesn't stick to the surface that you've sprayed on as you're tooling it with that tool.
Okay, so those are in. Okay, so that's all caulked. The shelves are in. Shower still grouted. I'm going to clean up the floor and grout the floor.
So there it is, 2 shelves with the matching drain grate. So, just in case you've never seen my videos before, my name's Sal de Blasi, tile contractor in the Boston area. Been installing tile for over 35 years. Leave your comments in the comment section. Check me out on Patreon. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll also leave some links in the description for other useful information that you might like.